Hey, welcome to our Wildcat Ready series on Handshake. So if you didn't already, I encourage you to go back and check out the overview video if you're wondering what is Handshake. I'll go into a little bit more detail there. Right now we're going to spend a couple minutes talking to you about customizing your profile and really giving it specific information tailored to your interests and what you like and what you're wanting to learn more about. So let's go over here and I will show you a little bit about your profile. So you can see here I have my student account pulled up, not a whole lot of information in there. You can find kind of the status of your profile there. So it's nice. It has a progress bar and will kind of let you know kind of where you're at and how much more information you need to provide the system. I encourage you to really ensure that your profile is complete, making sure you fill out every portion that you can as you know the information about it yet. Some of it you won't know yet if you're really just starting out. But first and foremost, you'll want to make sure you go through here and select the career interest section. The first time you log into Handshake, it's going to prompt you through these screens anyways, but in case you skip through them or information changes over time, go back and make sure you keep this career interests section updated and current with the right amount of information. So take a few minutes as you're able, go into your Handshake account and fill out the different sections and things that you're interested in. A couple of things to point out to you. You can list specific cities here that you might be interested in living in. But we have customized this section right here called the career clusters. We've organized different industries into 8 different career clusters, kind of divided up by different interest areas. Make sure that you go through and click as many that you're interested in. Starting out, you might have them all selected because you might be interested in all of them while you're still exploring. But over time, you'll kind of determine, what am I interested in? I'm not interested in these other areas, so make sure you unselect the boxes that you no longer would like information about, because this is what we use right here. Kind of a little bit about our secret sauce for the office. We use who indicates interest in these different career clusters. That's how we're sending out targeted emails each week that are really tailored toward those different career areas. So if you start out and you're really interested in education, social and community services, or nonprofits as a first-year student, and then by the time you're a senior, you've determined that that's no longer something that you're interested in, but you keep receiving these emails, really annoying, go through, unselect that box so that you no longer receive those emails. That'll really help out your process. So you can go through the rest of these sections, give as much detail as you'd like, really helpful, especially making sure that your expected graduation date is correct. All of that information is pulled over from the registrar's office, your GPA, school year, graduation date, but it's always nice to make sure that information is correct there. So once you're done with it, you'll go and save your interests. Once you do that, it will update the system. You can go back, look at your profile. So a separate step that you'll want to do here is going through and making sure you've included all of the information that you can here. You'll want to fill it out. You can go through and fill it out individually and add all the information, one by one if you would like. Or if it's your first time, you can also upload your resume. So showing you here, I will show you how to do that. You'll just select your resume from wherever you have it stored. It's going to pull out your experiences and build the profile from your resume, which can be really helpful. And then you can kind of go through, see how it's filled in the information. If it has kind of misaligned some of your experiences in different categories, you can go in and individually edit those if you would like, or if you're happy with how it's submitted it, you can approve all of them automatically. So shows you just a little bit of information there about setting up your profile, but it's a really important first step in starting to use Handshake. So it starts to customize and tailor jobs, events, everything is going to be tied to how much information you've given about your interests and things that you would like to know about. So if you're interested, Check out the next video about scheduling an appointment with someone in the office, or if you haven't already, go back and check out the overview video. Thanks.